This is You Try It number 2. It corresponds with Lecture 2 in Math-Based Tutoring's free pre-algebra course here on YouTube. If you need tutoring from junior high school math all the way up to mid-level college math, check us out on Facebook at facebook.com/mathbasedtutoring. Again, this book is free, openstacks.org. You can download for free at the web link below. It also will be in the description. You try in 1.3, we're going to use place value notation to find the value of the number modeled by the base 10 blocks below. Okay, so I'm going to kind of visualize, I want to write what I visualize in my head when I do this with a chart down here. And we notice we have 100s, this is 100 blocks, so this value will have 1 in the hundreds place, and then there's this shape represents 10 because there's 10 dots in there. So there'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s and 6 1s. So we're going to have 100s, 7 10s, and 6 1s. And when we add those up, we get 176. So we can say that this base 10 blocks represent the number 176. And you try at 1.4, again, we're asked to use place value notation to find the value of the number modeled by the base 10 blocks shown. Here we have 200s places. So in the hundreds place, we'll have the number 2, which will represent 200. There's 3 10s and 7 1s. So we'll have 200s for a total value of 200. 3 10s for a total value of 300 and 7 1s. And you add those up, we get 237. And this place value blocks represent the number 237. If you have any questions, please comment in below the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.